This is a song from the film Ek Ajnabi. The song title also carries Ek Ajnabi. The music was composed by R.D. Burman. The scale is written in F scale. You have already learnt the major scale formation, and we'll revise you again the scale and the notes. So F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, F. Backwards F, E, D, C, B flat, A, G, F. So you would have seen that the scale is going in this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can play the scale as you want. This is a scale of F. You have come across the black key. So that was the semitone from this A up. So that is the note which is coming throughout the song, and it is noted as B flat for the reason that the B is flattened. So normal B is this. Here the B is flattened. Why not A sharp? You had all the sharp scales and the flat scales bifurcated, like all the scales that having sharps we learned separately. All the scales which carried the flat sign we learned separately. So if you write a sharp in a flat scale, it's confusing because this is going to be your key signature. What is key signature? Yeah, a symbol appears at the beginning of a song telling you that throughout the song, whenever you come across the note, play them as required. So B is flat in the song. So B is flat in the scale. We don't call it as A sharp. A flat scale will always be using the flat symbols for all the notes. So it is called F scale, which is carrying B flat, and the sign is appearing in the beginning of the song. Beginning of the song, that means just next to the clef you will find. First you see this clef sign, the treble. Second you see the key sign, which scale the song is written, and you see the time sign 4 by 4 means 4 beats in a bar, 4 crotchet beats in a bar. Then you find different rests which you must have studied in the previous slides. So now the song is going to be played, and I will show you the fingering, how you play that. You keep in this way for the first few lines. See? So I could come back to F position. That's why I use in this way. Instead of not like this. I have been telling that you always keep 5 fingers on 5 notes. Each note should always be on one. Each finger will be on each note. Now here I moved this much because I know what is going to happen next. What is required? What is the note that you're going to play? Accordingly, my fingers are placed. So if I use this position, I can play the whole song in F position and G position. You will see how it is. So I played C, A, G, A. I played. Then I played A, G, A, B flat. Then B, B, D. Then again C, A, G, F. C. Again it brought back the first finger from C to F, but still I am going to stay on the F position. That is the reason. So second line, bar number 5. Now oh my God, what did I do? So you will people think I played wrong. No, it's not wrong. We are using the articulation of crushing a note to a principal note. This is the principal note. We crush the C note. So that is called articulation, or we will be using to the short notes, small notes appearing just before the principal note. So which is not written, but you will be playing in the later lessons. How do we use this? So this is a principal note and this is the crush note. So it brings a new feeling. Otherwise it's raw. It's very simple. That's because it's a beginner's piano. So people use this extra crushing note toward playing. That is the way the singer sings. So it brings lands to the principal note from a previous note. What is the previous note? This one, principal note. This, so he's coming from there. Then, so this is called articulation. And so we play the song. So this completes your first para of the song. Then we come to the first stanza of the song and bar number 18. Now the position was F. Now we are still there only, but this finger number 1 will go from F to G, F to G. The other fingers will be stationed there only, because we can play the whole song without moving or rolling our fingers. So we play D, C, B flat, A, A. So 2 times. Then D, C, B, A, C, G, G. Once again. Now 22 bar number. We are going to see how we are going to play and find some new notes and symbols. What is that? So B is being altered by using a natural sign in front of the B, because throughout we have been playing B flat as the note which is in the F scale. So this is an accidentally made into natural, but the altered note affects only the B within the bar. If it is next bar, again you have to show. That's what is being shown there. So bar number 23. See, again I landed on another B natural, because again alteration in the next bar. Unless the alteration is there, we can't come back to B flat. So when there is no alteration, B flat will be played by us, whatever be the reason. So now here again, bar number 23, you have the one B, then another B. So that's also a B natural, because once a note is altered within a bar, the alteration also applies to the same note if it appears within the bar. But next bar, it does not appear, because nothing is shown. So that's it. So that is how the altered new note is played. Then we come to have the same repetition on bar number 26, 27, then 29, now bar number 33. Now the B flat is not altered, so we are going to play the B as for flat notes. played B A B A G G G A G F F, then so B flat A G E E F. So that's how we played the stanza, and again we are moving back to the beginning of the song. This is how you play the song Ek Ajnabi. So the song is completed by learning the first part as well as the stanza.